When you're working with decorative stitches, which I love, on the Bernina 790, there's times where stitches need to be flipped or flopped or mirror imaged. So as we go into some of the decorative stitches, let's just kind of go and explore. As we look at a stitch, when you want to mirror image it, so instead of having to turn your fabric this way to get it to sew the opposite direction, touch the eye, and we're going to explore the two mirror image options. Now, since this is a symmetrical stitch, we're only going to be able to see it change as we touch it left to right. So there's times where, again, you just want to flip it around, but all that fabric's going to be in this area, and you don't want to sew with extra bulk riding through your machine. Flip the stitch. So as you touch it, whatever you see on screen is exactly what you're going to get. Now there's also the flip it from end to end. Now again, you won't see it because it's actually changing the end to end option. Let's go ahead and pick a stitch. I'm going to go into one of the menus that might have something a little not so symmetrical. Sometimes I have to look because I've noticed, here we go. So let's take the flowers. Okay, so those are big flowers. Those are, if the stitches roll off the side of your screen area, you know that that is a big design. So how about this one? This one might be a little easier to see. So right now, as it starts, it's going to go ahead and stitch the flower and then down. So if we were to mirror image it left, right, you see that now the baseline's over here on this side. Let's put it back. Now it starts flower and then the tail. So now if we flip it around, you'll see it starts from the tail to the flower. See the difference? But you can also combine both those mirror images together and you'll have a total of 4 different directions. So sometimes when I'm actually, let me show you something, I actually use this quite a bit. And it's actually back with a straight stitch. Sometimes I'll move my needle position all the way to the side and I'm doing some type of work. If I just need to flip it all the way over, just watch, just do the mirror image and it flips it all the way to the other side. So I love using these. It's a quick flip and flop and you can get all sorts of looks.